Alright, let's start.
Happy birthday, Ate Z.
Can you please turn off the sounds?
Okay po, take 3.
Alright, parang Gina siya mag-message. Let's go!
Exposure. Ayun na, happy birthday, Ate Z. How I wish. How I wish ang kalaman is here. I know how much you wanted him to be here. Natin alam, maybe he's here or he's watching up above from afar. Can I also take, would you mind, can I take this also as a chance na the thing na yung entire plan, yung mga kapatid ko ng papa ko for being the best kapatid and kakampi of my papa, as well as sa mga pinsan ko din. Thank you so much for giving my papa the best uncle life in earth. I'm sorry if I was able to mention it ngayon kasi our celebrant here, Zaya Cave, is one of the most aligaga pamangkin of Uncle Lamon. Thank you so much, Zee, for always taga-timplan ko ni Uncle. I know how much you wanted na nandito siya. But sadly, it didn't happen. Going back to you, just wanna sabihin sa'yo, ang ganda-ganda mo. The Catherine Bernardo, lagi ko sinasabi, the Catherine Bernardo ng Ehase and Family Clan. Time flies so fast talaga because the first time that I had a candle is yung 7th birthday mo, and now 18 years old ka na. It was very vivid in my mind during that time that I prayed that may God guide you, that may God bless you, and sana pagbutihin mo ang pag-aaral mo. And true enough, God is great by the blessing and the goodness of our Lord Jesus Christ. True enough, He guided you. True enough, He blessed you kasi from that 7 years old Zaya Cave, you are now 18-year-old Zaya Cave. That's why I welcome you to the adulthood. True enough, He blessed you kasi ngayon you're studying so well with excellency, and something that parents should be proud of. I know that your parents are very proud of you. If there's something that I wanted to say, lalo na ngayon isa na rin akong magulang, I know that every parent here would relate that parenthood really humbled us. If there's thing na masasabi ko bilang isa na rin ganap ng magulang is that may God bless you always, may God be with you always, may God be with you during your small wins, your victories, and even in your downfall. Do not forget that God is always here. Do not hesitate to ask because God is always with us. That's why, yun na talaga yung hinihiling ko kasi as a parent, kahit gaano natin paghirapan, kahit gaano natin pagsumikapan, it would always be God's plan that will prevail. It will always be God's plan that will happen. That's why I wanted na, I'm praying and I'm very hoping that your plans, your family's plans, your desires, your family's desires are aligned to what God has written for you. Because living here on earth is, God has written us already our different unique stories. So, ayun lang, sana pabutihin mo pag-aaral mo. sana matapos mo. And something na hindi din namin nagawa yun. And I'm very, very sure that your parents are very proud of you. Be just and be wise. Make this light of candles be also your guide. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Okay po, wala na kung ano. Ako na po lahat. Happy birthday, Sia! One candle lang po talaga. Kasi inunan niyo ako eh.
18 minutes yun
Okay po. Treasure na
Alright,
lang
thank
po.
you so much sa napakahabang message. So right, now we will move forward to our next 18 candles, which is Miss Mawing Ligayan. May we call on Miss Ligayan?
After that long kaya ako sa message ko. Anyway, muna, thank you for inviting us. Thank you for considering us as a family. As you turn 18, masasabi ko lang is the world opens up never-ending possibilities. So, explore, dream, and discover. And just enjoy every step of your happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Next up is our next candles, which is Miss Merly Ehazen. Palakpakan naman natin si Miss Merly.
May 1 minute lang daw po. 1 minute. 18 days. Kay mami lang. 18 seconds na daw
Ayun, happy 8th birthday. And thankful tayo kay Lord kasi nga nakaabot ka ng ganitong years. Ako din nakaabot sa'yo. Then, ayun. Pray ko lang na papatuloy mo yung ginawa mong mabuti ngayon, lalo sa pag-aaral mo, and huwag mong kahit gano'n ka talino, do not forget na i-honor mo siya, i-honor mo palagi si Lord sa mga achievements mo. Huwag mo nga kayo sa sarili mo. And then, one thing na may share ko is, ang tawag nito, sana yung pag-prefer mo. Kasi medyo magdita din to, medyo mataray siya, hindi siya approachable. Pero, meron din siyang yung person na concern siya. Like, nung kabataan niya, hinder pa siya. Pag yung mama niya nasa abroad, tapos yung papa lang niya nandun, tapos ako sa bahay niya. And nung kakain na yung papa niya, last piece na lang ng kanin, talagang sinigawan niya yung papa niya. Sabi niya, Papa, huwag mo ubusan yung ninang ko. Sabi niya gano'n. So, nagdita siya na pero yung concern niya na doon. Sana yung kahit malaki ka na, hindi yun magbabago. Yun lang, good luck always, and be humble.
Okay po.
Ay, bakit?
Ayan, thank you so much for that wonderful speech. Now, let us move forward to Miss Alma Jackson.
Ito.
Mas na 30 minutes. Dito pakandong ko na lang sa akin. Saan ko nilalagay?
Happy birthday yan. Thank you, na-invite ako. Yung friend ng mama mo. Thank you so much. Sana patuloy pa rin yung matindong mga kapit na. Super kaya.
ba? O di ba, Juby? Ano, patuloy lang ang pag-aaral, siyempre, di ba? At isa, wag mo naman boboyfriend. Ikaw lang ang life bilang dalaga, di ba?
Gayahin mo kami.
Kasi sila, o di ba, papatuloy para sa mga. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Thank you naman the boyfriend. Sabi ni Tama. Next, we have Miss Aga Aspa.
Madam, si Madam.
Hi, Seya. Happy birthday. Salamat sa pag-invite at hindi mo kami nakakalimutan. Wish ko lang sa'yo na makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. Alam ko naman napakabait mong bata. Kilala kita. Mula bata ka pa kasi mula ng 7th birthday mo, lahat kami naka-invite sa'yo. Thank you sa lahat-lahat. God bless you. And sana, alam ko naman na makakapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral mo dahil napakasipag ng bata. Thank you, Ian.
May we call on Miss Verna Vera.
Saan yung dadalhin niya?
Regarding patungsanan to, adopting your goals and aspirations in life. God bless.
Next, we have Miss Rose Palmer.
Ano? Yung mic. Saan yung mic?
Happy birthday sa'yo. Wala na ako maisip na ibig sa'yo dahil sila mag-wish mo eh. Siguro, sabi ko na lang, enjoy mo itong araw mo, sama mo kami. Happy 80th birthday, God bless you.
Thank you so much. Now we have Miss Helen Anigo. Miss Helen. Yan, sobrang galing kasi sobrang happy talaga niya. Next, we have Miss Crisanta Bautista.
Happy birthday.
Louder.
Thank you so much. Now we have Miss Lidel Conserva.
Ano mo?
malaki ka na, dapat marunong ka na adulthood, sa decision making. So, kasi yun yung main topic sa'yo. So, ayun, I wish not being fantasy with the list of CPA classes. Kaya naman ko magiging successful na content na kind of wala naman ako masyadong wish kasi feeling ko magiging successful ka naman. And ayun, promise ko lang na hindi na ako masyadong mag-aaya ng gastos. Kasi doon ka lagi nagagalit sa akin. So, ayun, happy birthday.
Thank you so much for the very sweet message. Next up, we have Miss Hela Catino.
Wait lang. Happy birthday, Zaya. Siyempre, nag-thank you rin ako kasi, you know, katulad yung sinasabi na in-invite mo. Basta, ang wish ko lang sa'yo, hindi ka wish. I know naman na kaya ko. Hindi naman ako. Sa rami ng expectations nila sa'yo, na nag-18 ka na, ang raming challenges na bang mararanasan. Ay, baka umiyak talaga. I love it now. You are shining just as brightly as the sun. And, wait lang. Wala. Ang sasabihin ko lang is always be grateful. Always look back kung ano yung mga... Always be grateful sa lahat ng mga natatanggap mo. Huwag kang ano. Basta yun. Huwag kang mga... Wala! Di na ako iiyak. Sige na mo. Babe, wala tayong picture, babe.
Ayan, thank you so much. Now, we have Miss Margaret Marquez.
Hello, hindi mo. Talaga akong speech para. Charis! Siyempre, first and foremost, happy legality. Yeah! Siyempre marami nang na-wish kanina, marami na. Siyempre, isa na dun yung good health, isa na yun. Siyempre, sa successful year, this 2025 is the upcoming years. Yes. Next, sana puno ng tawanan, kulitan at kasipagan ang iyong years, next years. Then, syempre, wala masyadong nag-wish na ito kanina, pero besa na yung maman ka talaga. Ayun talaga yun, sana talaga. Syempre, gagraduate ka, makikita ka namin sa CPA. Tapos, sorry na medyo makikita to, magulo na yung wish. Tapos, syempre kapag, you know, nakapasa ka, maganda trabaho mo, yun na, dadami na yung pera mo, makikita mo na si Ming Hao. Syempre, ayun lang po talaga yung wish ko sa kanya, which is maging successful siya sa buhay. Yes, happy birthday!
Ayan, thank you very much. Sana makita niyo na si Ming Hao. Next, let us move forward to our next candle, which is Miss CJ Villameo.
Ang ganda ng candle. Happy birthday! To be honest, I didn't prepare for my speech. Kasi nga, sinabi ko lang sa kanya to, na like, sige, put mo ako sa candle. Kasi really and as a spontaneous person that I am,
be the light in everyone's life. Okay? And ayun nga, as Marga said, sana yumaman ka. Alam ko yung yaman ka, hindi yung